Hey guys, welcome back to Harshi Prachi. So how are you guys? Guys, I hope you guys are very safe and you are you are very healthy because this is the most challenging times for us because of this coronavirus pandemic. Like it's very huge and in the world more than 150,000 people have lost their lives, and in India more than 6,000 cases have been reported. So guys, and because of one pizza boy, 54 families and 17 pizza boys more were affected of this coronavirus. But guys, I think we should all be safe, and lockdown is for us only. We should support and we should respect the lockdown which our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi has done it. Guys, I know I am just saying the same thing, but I hope guys be safe, be healthy, be safe. I said safe before, but I'm sorry for that. Be safe, be healthy, and guys, be in at house, don't go out of house. So I'm always there for entertainment. So I'm here back again with another video. Like a week ago I uploaded a video which said how I tried making Dalgona coffee, and I hope you guys like the video because my video quality was very not that great, but today my video quality is amazing because I'm using my dad's VOV17 Pro to shoot the video, and I'm going to be uploading it in the channel. So guys, this is my mobile phone which is apparently mine. So this is the what should I say, Nokia, because it was my dad's old phone. He's not going to get me a nice branded phone after till class 10. In class 10 he's going to change his phone to some other nice amazing phone, but till now I have this Nokia and I have my entire life inside this phone. I have Instagram, Snapchats and everything kind of like that. But yeah, this is not my what's in my phone kind of a video, no. But I'm going to keep all of these things aside and let's move on to the official topic of today. So, reading by the title, you guys have understood that quarantine mode is on. So, I'm going to tell you guys 10 things which you can do during quarantine. Like, that's going to be amazing, right? So, guys, I have not thought, there's no sheet of paper around me out of which I won't read and tell you guys. But it's all random. I'm going to say randomly, but I'm not going to add very cliche points like reading or not like reading a book or dancing or singing. But yeah, they're also kind of like a thing, but I'm not going to add either reading a book because that's very cliche. Come on, right? So yeah, let's go. So the first thing which you should all try doing is to either hear a podcast or hear something very motivational. Now guys, I'll say you one thing. I never had a habit of reading through podcasts, but I'm going to open my mobile phone and tell you guys which app you should use to have a podcast. I use an app called Spotify. It's a really amazing app, and I use Spotify for hearing more podcasts. And recently I am addicted with this podcast. This is I'm going to let the entire screen come out so you guys can see. It's an Alisa Healy podcast. I'm going to wait, I will see. So yeah, it's an Alisa Healy part A because I've already read the prelude. So I'm in part A, and this is the Hoi Games. You have much more cricketers, you have very old cricketers. You have Badshah, Arijit Singh, Neha Kakkar on Spotify. So that's really amazing. So you guys should download Spotify. That's really amazing app to say what. Please, not sponsored, not doing any promotion kind of a thing, but I'm just telling you can download Spotify to I'm recommending it to you. You hear podcasts and you can even hear music on it. That's really amazing. Now the second thing which I would like you guys to do is kind of clean. Not deeply from inside you should clean, but either your surroundings. Like you cannot go out and take jhadu and clean, but you can clean your almiras, you can clean your drawers, your everyday study tables, or any kind of other accessory or other kind of extra things you have. You can clean that. That's a really good pastime, and I did it personally. And today is 17th of April right now, so yeah, and I cleaned on the 30th of March, so it's a long time, but I don't clean once again, so it's not nice. The third thing which I would love you guys to do, and many of you will be really happy to, like my 14 people may say, 7 to 8 might be happy, and I don't know about the others. That is, you should rest. Adequate rest is very very important. Guys, I know कि adequate rest कुछ add नहीं हो रहा है, पर guys जब हमारी normal ज़िंदगी वापस से शुरू हो जाएगी, we'll be busy. एंड इट ऑल्सो माइट हैपन दैट हमें को इतना रेस्ट ना मिले, तो अभी परफेक्ट टाइम है अपने आप को रेस्ट दो, ताकि आपकी जो बॉडी की इम्यूनिटी है वो ज़्यादा अच्छी है, अपने आप को रेजुमिनेट करने का सोचो. So the third one is always go for rest. And the fourth one, which I really want you guys to do, is to plan a care routine. You know, like plan a caring routine. Like one day you can do hair care, one day you can do skin care, one can you do body care, one can you do spa, or manicure, pedicure. There's a lot of things you can do. So like if you even count, like 10 days will be gone by just doing these cares, and that might help your body too. Fifth thing which I want you guys to do is listen music, and listen some slow music. Now, listening to slow music, what it does to your mind, calms your mind, and then you have this panic during this coronavirus pandemic when you want to go out to buy groceries. You have that, कि मेरे को coronavirus हो सकता है, and that if you listen to calm music, you just calm down your anxiety and you feel much more better. So I want you guys to listen something very very slow. I'll just play one song, guys. I'm so sorry I'm doing this in the middle, but I'm just gonna play one song, and I think you guys are gonna love that song. And my video is not gonna be very very long, but it's gonna be a 13 to 14 minute video. So I'm gonna just search a song if I have some internet connection over here. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry. I'm doing sorry in the middle of the video because this video I don't even knew that I was gonna do the video, but it just suddenly popped up into my mind कि चलो कुछ करते हैं, बोर हो रही थी मैं घर पे. So which is the point? Is this just the point? No, I should have forgotten the number. Help me. So guys, I'm not able to slow songs, but because my net is not very 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 nice right now, but you guys can listen, so I'm going to repeat all this. The first one was to hear a podcast, the second one was to sleep, take adequate rest, body care, all cares. What was more? I forgot everything. Listening to music, slow songs, music calms. And there was one more, I forget. Cleaning, right? Yeah, the sixth. Okay, finally, I'm back to my numbers. Now, sixth one I would like to is to try to find out your hobbies. This is get from every single YouTuber who's posting this video. Might do this or not, but if you try and kind of find your hobby, it's really better to engage into time. That's very really really important to you. Engage into some time because it's really really important, and you will be able to consume time more efficiently. Like अच्छे time को consume कर सकते हो आप अगर अपनी hobby मिल गई तो. Sixth one is always hobbies. The seventh one is you can try something new or try something much more experimental. Like you can try TikTok hacks, makeup hacks, hair hacks, any kind of hacks you can try them and you can see that true or not. So 7 is also hacks. Number 8 for me, I would suggest you guys is to make videos. It's not important for you to make videos then also upload it, but you can try everything. You can try something new because you have plenty of time with you. You can try new tricks, new pics. You can do every single thing right now because this is the time where you actually will have to involve yourself in something or you're gonna die of boredom. That's my new word which I invented, boredom sick. You're gonna die from bore and you're gonna be sick at home. So if you don't want to be a boredom sick, then guys, please, it's my request. Do something much more efficient. Do something, that's what I must say. Do something much more. do your hobbies, do your everything, because that will help you consume a lot of time. Number 9, which I want you guys to do is this kind of I have not written anything, so this is my very mentality coming. Number 9 would always go for spending alone time. Now it's not very like, I don't know about how many of my subscribers are like to be alone or not, but I'm just giving you a suggestion. You can do alone time or you can do extroverting time. I'm going to tell you both in detail right now. So alone time is you can go to a room in your house, like shut the door, listen to music, and do whatever you cannot do in front of people. Like you can dance inside, you can shout, you can do anything just to calm down your mind. You can do all these things which will help you be very strong during this coronavirus pandemic. Guys, don't nazarandaz my words, because I've also tried it and that's amazing. That it made me super strong from inside, so mentally strong always. Now the 10th thing which I want you guys to do is family time, of course guys, because इतने टाइम के बाद एक पूरा महीना से ज़्यादा मिला है हमें अपनी फैमिली के साथ स्पेंड करने के लिए. So why we waste that time? Be with your family, help them, enjoy. That's what you guys actually should do during this time. But there are 10 things which you can do. Like if you don't have your family around, or you are studying abroad, or something like that, you can do all these things. That's gonna pass your time. Like, yeah, that's what you were thinking. But yeah, that's what I am. So guys, these were my 10 quarantine things. All of them I have personally tried, and that's the reason I'm recommending it to you guys, or else I won't even recommend it to you guys. Yes guys, I hope that you all liked my video, and I'm aiming 14 likes. Please guys, like, and if you have family members, please tell them to subscribe to our channel Harshi Prachi. And guys, I'm gonna end my what shall I say, my video by saying something to all of you. It's about coronavirus thingy, but there was something very different also. So guys, I would like to tell you guys, we are cousins at home, and that's what I even discussed, or I might have not discussed. I discussed in my Dalgona Coffee Wala video. Guys, I'm not getting likes, and I'm not getting any subscribers, and I'm not getting any views. Why am I posting? Am I mad to post, guys? No, na. So please, I'm not very rude at this. I'm just telling you guys कि अगर मैं पोस्ट करती हूँ आप लोग के लिए, आप लोग को भी थोड़ा सा रिस्पॉन्स से भेजना चाहिए. लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. मैंने अभी तक कमेंट्स आई डोंट थिंक एबल किए हैं, तो नहीं करने, क्योंकि कमेंट्स आती ही नहीं, तो मैं कमेंट्स करके करूँ क्या. सो गाइज, दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे. आई नो मैं थोड़ा सा गुस्सा आप लोग को कर रही हूँ, बट इट्स रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. अगर मैं अपने काम के लिए अपना टाइम निकाल के आप लोग के लिए करें, बिकॉज मैं फ्री नहीं रहती, क्योंकि मैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रहे हैं. मैं क्लास 9 में ही हूँ अभी तो, और मेरी क्लास 5 में गई है. तो गाइज एक्सपेक्ट कर सकती हूँ, मैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस 11:45 तक चल रहे थे. तो मैं आई हूँ सिलसिले में यहाँ पे. सो आई एक्सपेक्ट अ बिट मोर फ्रॉम यू गाइज. 11:45 कुछ टाइम पे नहीं गाइज, आई एम टू सेव द टाइम. आई थिंक 11:40 तक में क्लासेस चल रहे थे. और मैं बताती हूँ, उसके बाद भी मेरे होमवर्क्स रहते हैं, असाइनमेंट्स होते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं, सब होता है गाइज. बट मैं आप लोग के लिए वीडियो ला रही हूँ. सो yes guys, please like, share and subscribe to Harshi Prachi, and हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जल्दी मिलेंगे with some new thing. And guys, this is Harshi Prachi Daily. So I totally forgot about the segments during the Dalgona Coffee, but I remembered it. So it's Harshi Prachi Daily. So bye guys, love you all.